Welcome! In this lesson, we will learn how to use être, to be, and avoir, to have in French. We will solely focus on the formation of être and avoir in the present tense, présent simple. Although we usually refer to them as verbs, être and avoir are actually auxiliary verbs. What does that mean? An auxiliary verb is a helping verb that can either be conjugated on its own or as part of a compound verb in the past tense. It carries the following verb or past participle. We find the same mechanism in the English language. For example, in English, you can either use to be or to have on their own, such as in I am or I have, or as a carrying auxiliary, such as in I am gone, I am tired, or I have done. Remember this dual function of auxiliary and verb for être and avoir. Let's look at the formation of être in the present simple tense. Je suis for I am, tu es for you are, il, elle, on est for he, she, it is. Remember that on can mean we in the informal speech. However, it will stay conjugated as a singular subject pronoun. We therefore say on est, not on sommes, regardless of the function of on in the sentence. Nous sommes for we are, vous êtes for you are plural, ils sont masculine group, elles sont feminine group for they are. Let's now move on to the verb avoir and look at its formation. J'ai, I have, tu as, you have singular, il, elle, on a, he, she, it or we informal has, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have plural, il, elle, on, they have. Let's now look at some examples with sentences. Tu as 16 ans. You are 16. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 14 heures. What time is it? It's 2 p.m. Nous sommes français. We are French. Ils ont une maison. They have a house. Elles ont raison. They are right. Je suis en retard. I am late. J'ai faim. I am hungry. Vous êtes très intelligent. You are very smart. Tu as un chat. You have a cat. You singular. To sum up, être and avoir are the basis of 50% of the French grammar. By learning their present form by heart, you'll be able to easily form the passé composé and other tenses of the past. I hope this lesson was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for new lessons every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Leave your questions in the comments. Merci!